Okay. After this, after understanding problem number 8, next is problem number 9. So problem number 9. This is a little different question. In this problem, the given X Limited is considering three financial plans for raising the funds. Total investment means total capital is 2 lakh rupees given. The plans for financing, how they finance is 2 lakh rupees. They given three plans: plan A, plan B, plan C. In place of 1, 2, 3, they given A, B, C. And equity given 100% A, B 50%, C 50%. Then debt is given 50%. Preference shares given 50%. The cost of debt is given. Cost of debt means interest on debentures 8%. Cost of preference shares means preference dividend given 8%. Tax rate 50% given. Face value of shares is rupees 10 given per share. And EPS is given rupees 80,000. So this is the summary of question. Determine the EPS of each three plans. Before that, first you have to prepare analysis table. Analysis table, but in the examination do later this A, B, C, three plans given. So particulars A, B, C, three plans, financial plans. First you have to take equity share capital. Equity share capital they given. So equity share capital first they given 100%. So 2 lakh capital into 100 divide 100. So first is 2 lakh. Second given 50% big plan 2 lakh into 50 divided by 100. So 1 lakh. C plan also 50% given 2 lakh into 50 divided by 100. I am showing calculation clearly. So 1 lakh. So they given debt. What percent debt? 8% debt. Debt means debentures they given. They given a percentage 8% debt means they have to take 8% debenture. So here you see debt A dash B 50% is given. 2 lakh is common into B finance plan 50. In place of second plan they give B. So 1 lakh. So C plan dash given rate is not given, debt finance. Then preference, what percent down they give no cost of preference 8%. 8% preference shares. 8% preference shares. 2 lakh. Total investment 2 lakh into first they given dash A plan dash, B plan dash, C plan given 50%. 50 divide 100. See, dash dash. So 1 lakh. See, total finance, see, 2 lakh. Here also 2 lakh. Here also 2 lakh. See. This is called total capitalization. Total capitalization. Now number of equity shares. Number of equity shares. We have to see one equity. See, this is not equity. See, 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Divide, special 10 rupees. They give. 0 get cancelled, 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. So 20,000 shares. 10,000 shares. Again 10,000 shares. Then we know number of equities. Then immediately have to prepare. Have to calculate EPS. Calculation of EPS, earning per share. Actually, I have to write this first only. Okay. Calculation of earning per share. You write, better write first this, second working you have to show down. Okay, particulars EAB3 plans. First you have to take EAB80. Earning before tax they given 80,000. 80,000, 80,000, 80,000. Less I interest on debt or debentures. See here, 8% debentures. Which plan? B plan. How much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 8 divided 100 dash. So 8,000. Then dash. Because second plan, we have second. So 80,000. This one is 72,000. This is 80,000. This is called EBT, earning before tax, less tax. At 50% is given in this question. Half of this 40,000. Half of this 36,000. Half of this 40,000. So this is called EAT. Earning after tax. This is 40,000. This one is this 36,000. This one is 40,000. Then less preference dividend. See here. See analysis table. 8 preference. Which plan? Third plan. First dash, second dash. How much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 8 divided 100. 8 divided 100. So 8,000 last year. 8,000. So you have to deduct. You will get earning available to equity shareholders. So 40,000. This is 36,000. This is 32,000. This is called earnings available to equity shareholders. Now EPS, earning per share, equals earning available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares. Number of equity shares. So 40,000 earnings, profit 36,000, 22,000 divided by number of shares 20,000. Then 10,000. Then 10,000 divided. So rupees 2 first. Rupees 3.60 second. Rupees 3.20. This is called EPS. Rupees. Okay. See, this is question number 9. Solution EPS. Now, suggestion or conclusion. Which plan should be selected? So, plan B should be selected for financing because its EPS is higher than other two plans, plan A and plan C. So, B plan should be selected for financing. So, this is called suggestion or conclusion. Okay, after understanding problem number 9. Next problem is problem number 10. Problem number 10. So, in problem number 10, already done like this problem.